The really neat thing about Manpa is the versatility of their sanding tools. These products can also be used in a standard drill. This is a multi-extension shaft fitted directly into our drill. We can then take our sanders and attach as so. The center part spins, so as we sand we can hold. If we need to reach further into the work, we can take our sanding tool and attach on the end and add our sander as such. The multi-extension shaft allows you to hold it while you're sanding. Any of the multi-extension shaft accessories attached to a drill can either be used on a cordless or corded drill.